Follow these quick setup instructions to get you started. Step 1. Check your Siemens appliance is Home Connect compatible. Just look for the Wi-Fi symbol on the front of your appliance. Step 2. Download the Home Connect app and register your account. Once you've downloaded the app, just follow the simple registration instructions. Step 3. Connect your appliance to Wi-Fi, automatic. Once you've registered, switch the appliance on and select More. Select Home Connect Assistant. Press the WPS button on your router within 2 minutes to complete the automatic connection. Step 4. Pair your appliance with your device. Tap Connect to App on the appliance. Press OK when you see the confirmation message on your app. The connection between the Home Connect app and the home appliance has been established. Congratulations! You're now ready to enjoy your Siemens appliance with Home Connect.